I started working on this one last night, and I feel like it's like significantly easier.
Yeah. Okay.
So for number 3, I looked up the symbol or whatever, and it's just the regular P.
No, like hat or anything.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Which is hard because, yeah, it's like true population, but then, yeah, the P hat is, or no, this one's true population proportion, but then there's the one that's like true proportion or something like that. Like it gets really confusing.
Right. Okay.
And then let's see.
Well, the question is from what is percent is equal to P.
That one I think is true.
Mm, So the sample size has to be at least 5. Yeah, I agree. I think it's true.
Alright, and then requirements for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. I don't think so. I think that one's false. There's like not enough information.
Mm, Okay. Is that false?
Mm-hmm. And then this next question that's like 6 to 9. You can do it or whatever if you want to. I did the stuff for it yesterday. So I have what pretty sure it is, but you can just like check your answers and see if we got the same thing. If you want, it's up to you.
Yeah. First check green market was taken. Of these 45 plus 4 estimated portion inflation. Okay, I don't know if I used this one right. Did you get 5.38 or 37?
No. No, I got 0.734.
Okay. Which equation did you use?
Let me pull up the um textbook. Let's see here. Okay. I'm looking through it right now. Okay, so are you at the text?
Yeah.
Okay, so I did this one. Let's see. At least I'm pretty sure. So success is so how see how it has like the X and N. It's down at the 2.2.1.
2.2.1. Yeah. the +4 confidence intervals?
Yeah, so see how it says where P, whatever you want to call that little thing, X plus
2.
2, and then divided by N plus 4. And I think the 4 comes from where it says
The +4.
plus 4, yeah. But I'm not sure about the 2. So that was the only thing I was uncertain about, was whether or not it's just always plus 2 or not.
Yeah, I think it's always +2 and always +4.
Okay.
But that's the one that I used. So I don't know why.
Let me try doing it again on my calculator. So
Well,
let's
X is 60, right? And N is 45.
I do the 60 plus 2 divided by. Wait, no, because actually, wouldn't 60 be the number? Because that's like the whole population. So maybe it's
Oh, the other way.
45 plus 2 divided by 60 plus 4. Nope, that's not right. Unless, let me try this one thing. There you go. You have to put it in parentheses. And then it gets you 0.734. So it's 45 plus 2 divided by 60 plus 4.
0.734.
Uh-huh.
Okay, find the P. Traditional, isn't it? And that one, the next one, number 7, is just X over N, wouldn't it be?
Yeah.
What did you say?
So you just do 45 divided by 60, which is 0.75.
Hmm. Create a 95 confidence interval for the true proportion of the first reading of the trial.
This one took me a long time just because I couldn't figure out if I was doing it right. But I'm pretty sure I got it right eventually.
So they want a true interval, so the P with the squiggly.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So 734. And 734 minus 795 confidence interval,
Mm-hmm.
which is 1.96 minus 1.96. And Dang it. That's not Okay, so for number 8, did you get the third one, 0.626 and
Yep. If you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, the width of the confidence interval decreases.
Mhm. Okay. To conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, 2 requirements must be met. Suppose p is equal to 1/2. What is the smallest n can be? And both requirements still be met.
And I'm not sure why this works or whatever. Well, kind of, but add a 0 to the last number. Like this one, I'm pretty sure is 20, and then the next one is 100. And remember how the other one was 1/4? It was 40. So I don't know if that's just like what you're supposed to do. It's like a shortcut or like what, but I just like noticed that with all of them. That seems to be like a pattern.
Okay. So there's not really anything on it. Plus n can be both parentheses and p is 1/2. And 1/2. So, I think number oh, and then 10. Okay. Yeah, you're right with both 10 and 11.
Okay. Let's see then. The next one.
They collected it and this time damage was I think it's true. Number 12.
Number 12. Yeah, that's what I put too for that.
6 and 10 are so 13. Did you get 0.475?
Yeah, huh?
Because then they can't get you with armed robbery. Oh, you're not armed. They should look at the show that. You can open the crack the windows once. Morning.
So for number 14, did you get negative 2.282?
Uh-huh, yep. This is so great. All of our our calculators are both doing the same thing.
So
It was so new.
rare. What is a p-value for this test? 2.282. How did you, when you put it in the probability applet, did you
Let me do it again, Lacey.
shade
I'm pretty sure I just shaded
the left side?
yeah, I think I just did the left side. Let me double check it. So it's hard. I always like have to look at it. It's really hard for me to be like, oh yeah. So let's see. I put it in. That did not work. Yeah, I think I just did just the left side. Yeah, I did just the left side. Because in here it says,
Crease.
yeah. Yeah, so I got the p-value was 0.011.
Yeah, 1.0.
And then to that we reject the null.
Plus. Okay. There is significant evidence to conclude that water quality in the area.
I think if we reject the null, I think it's
It becomes insufficient.
Actually, I don't know, because I thought it'd be the other way around. I thought if we reject the null, there would be sufficient evidence, because this was.
Oh.
Well, actually, maybe.
Or are they, for the water quality study in the area, what 6% indicates have historically been associated with good health. The researchers suspect that water quality in the area has decreased. And if we reject that, it well, let's see. We're rejecting that the water quality has decreased.
Well, no, because it's less than the
Significance level?
zero. Yeah, it's like less than 0.05. So I thought that meant that we reject it, because to fail to reject it has to be greater than 0.5, which would mean that they concluded that the water quality in the area has decreased. So it would either be that because it would either be there is sufficient evidence,
Right. Okay.
and it would be to conclude the water quality in the area has increased or decreased. And I think it proves that it decreased.
You're supposed to put the water quality in there. Yeah. Okay. I think it's A.
Yes, I think so. Let's see. Alright, I think I feel good about it. I think I'm just gonna submit it. That's really good. See, we do so good when our calculators are working.
um, okay. So, guess we can, I don't know if because we changed to like having the second group meeting today, I'll probably still go ahead and have it with Stephanie on Thursday.
Okay.
I don't think we informed her about this morning. So I'll still have it with her on Thursday so that she gets.
Yeah, points for it. Okay. Well then, do you want me to just post? Do you want me to post or not on here? I could post it and then say right in there, Stephanie will be meeting with Emily later or something like that, and then you can post that one too,
Yeah.
in case he wants it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'll do that right now then, and then
Yeah.
I emailed her all about, and I sent it to you too, the thing I typed up or whatever.
Okay.
So whenever you want to read over it, just send it back to me and let me know if everything's good. And I wrote her about the whole thing and what we're going to be doing, but I told her we don't have to worry about it till like next week or whatever. For at least for collecting the data, but I haven't heard back from her yet. So that's what I figured. I figured she would text me back, and then I was going to be like, oh, by the way, because we decided after I sent that email. So I was like, well, I'll wait till she writes me back, and then I'll just email her back again. But anyway, maybe she didn't get on our email last night, so.
You said you already emailed it to me?
Yeah.
Oh, did you send it to my Gmail?
Probably.
Okay.
Do you want me to send it to your other one?
No, that's fine. As long as I have it. I don't normally look at my Gmail email, but
Oh, okay.
I can go into it.
I think I just
The
email
one
it
that
to
you
them.
have.
That's the email I have, I think.
I just don't think to look at that one, but I do have access. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
That's fine. Yeah, so just take a look at it whatever, whenever, and then I'll just submit it as soon as you guys think it's good to go. And yeah, just make sure you can just like spell check me or whatever, add stuff. Just write on it if you think stuff needs to be added or whatever. So.
Okay. Sounds great. Thank you.
Well, thank you for meeting, and I'll post this, and then I'll just put in the note that you'll be meeting with Stephanie later. So.
Okay. Thanks.
All right. Thanks. I'll see ya.
Have a good trip.
Oh, thanks. I'll try. All right. Bye.
Bye.